Lo que tenemos que hacer en este momento es apretar algunos de los lazos.
During their 10-day trip to Ecuador, Davis Aerospace and Maritime High School 2023 valedictorian Gabriel Leonard and 11th grader Yarisella met Samantha for the first time.
It was nice to finally meet her in person for the first time, since the only times we've been able to meet her was over Zoom. So finally being able to see her in person, give her a hug, it was like, this is a real person that we're helping, and we're able to see what we're doing come to life.
She is the Ecuadorian girl who inspired them to design and make a 3D printed prosthetic arm. With the help of IMAHelps, a medical nonprofit that organizes humanitarian missions to underserved countries, the first arm was delivered last year. During this trip, she is being fitted for her second arm.
Everything that she would say, like more me understanding what she's saying in Spanish, like word for word, and her feelings, like I can understand it 100%. And like the things she was saying, like, you know, we're able to like make her dream happen. So it's very touching. And it was just amazing meeting her. She's a very nice young lady.
Daniela, also an 11th grader at Davis, couldn't make the trip, but she is the one that convinced her robotics teammates to initially help Samantha, who lost both of her arms in a bus accident. On this trip, they helped not only Samantha, but 6 other children. Daniela, who is from Ecuador, says she is touched her classmates helped her compatriots.
Like, it made me cry because I saw them with little kids and the prosthetics, like making hearts and stuff. It was love. It was like special, something that came from their heart.
While in Ecuador, John Dar Bradshaw, the Great Lakes Science Center Community Engagement Coordinator and STEM Education Consultant, says the students also assisted volunteer medical staff with IMAHelps see more than 4,000 patients seeking medical and dental care.
They had all of this compassion, they had this empathy, and they really knew their stuff. They really made a difference. And not only did it change the lives of the patients that we saw, it changed the lives of these students as well.
This trip of a lifetime helping other children has made all 3 of these students think about ways they can continue to help others.
It was very life-changing. It humbles like you very much. It just like opens your eyes, and even that, like I want to be a pilot, but now like it's pushing me a little bit further into the medical field.
But also as a pilot, I think there's a possibility that I could maybe, you know, fly people or doctors down to these countries and be able to give them the transportation that they need to help out these people.
The robotics team, with the help of the Great Lakes Science Center and Argonaut, came home with more than a dozen requests to make prosthetic arms for those in need in Ecuador. Plus, IMAHelps has invited CMSD students to go on another mission next summer.
Man, oh man, we saw so many more people that were in desperate need, and it wasn't like we could tell anybody no. So right now we have 15 solid orders.
I want to continue doing this because like I want to keep changing people's lives in the future with them, and going to new countries to meet new people.